Hey everybody, I'm Emily with The Quilted Cow, and today I'm here to show you how to make the Sparrow Square. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors. We are sponsored by Husqvarna Viking Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Mats, and Cutters, and Wilmington Prince Fabrics. So let's get started. Okay, so this is our Sparrow Square. It is a helpful heifer pattern and kit, which means that the kit is going to include a paper pattern. So all you have to do is sit and sew, and this is going to be a complete kit to make 2 of these. Now, it looks a little funny, but it is an extra roll of toilet paper holder that you can put in your bathroom. So if you have a kid's bathroom that you're really limited on space, or a hall bathroom that you don't have very much space, you just hang this on either side of your toilet paper roll to keep that extra roll handy and ready for you to use. It can be used in campers, RVs, all those areas, all those places that you're definitely gonna need that extra roll of toilet paper. So let's go ahead and check out how to make this. This is super easy to make. And what we're gonna do, like I said, the kits are gonna include enough to make 2 of these Sparrow Square toilet paper holders. You're going to be able to find them at thequiltedcow.com. So head on over to our website, grab yourself a kit. You can also find the postcard pattern, the Helpful Heifer postcard pattern, and that is sold separately as well. So grab your kit, let's get started. What I'm going to do is, the first thing I did was I cut out my rectangles of the main and the accent fabrics. So I did that, and I've also made my handles, but I'm going to show you real quick how to make the handles. So before you press your handles into the shape that you need them, you're going to go ahead and fuse your lightweight interfacing onto the wrong side of your fabric. So you do that on your main fabric, and then on each of the handle pieces, you're going to fuse that lightweight interfacing onto the wrong side of your fabric. Once you've got that, you're going to press your handle fabric in half, wrong sides together, along the length of the fabric. So do that, and then you're going to open that back up, and then you're going to press your raw edges in towards the middle, and then fold that over again and press that down, and give it a nice press so that it is nice and flat whenever you go to sew this. Once you've got this pressed down and it's nice and flat, top stitch it all the way down both sides. I like to top stitch 1/8 of an inch down both sides of my handle, making sure that you get all of your fabric and that closes that opening right there. So once we've got that done, you're going to take your main fabric, your rectangles, and on either end, you're going to either put one of these short guys on there, or you're going to do the long ones. Measure 1/2 inch from the outside edge, and you're going to place your long straps here all the way. You're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to place it right here on the end. The other end, these tabs, you're going to do the same thing. You have your choice. You can either go ahead and double it up like this, measure 1/2 inch in, and baste that down. Or I actually like it where it's folded in half this way, so that your handles, your straps are going to slide through that tab, and it's going to hold it without folding it over. So once you've got that done, you take it, you're going to lay your main fabric right side up with those handles and the tabs on either end. Then you're going to take your accent fabric, and you're going to lay it right side down, so your pretty sides are going to be touching each other, and then clip all the way around so that you've got everything held in place. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to my machine. I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch all the way around, but I'm going to leave an opening so that I can turn this right side out. So before I turn this right side out, I am going to clip the corners, because that reduces the bulk in the corners of your fabric and the corners of your project. And what you want to make sure that you do is that you don't clip basically the seams. So whenever I am going through and I'm clipping just a little bit away from where the seams cross on those corners. Once you get everything nice and flattened out for yourself, I like to save the opening until last, because then I know where my 1/4 inch seam allowance should fold under, and I can give that a nice fold to where it looks pretty good, and then I'm going to press that flat. And then once that's pressed flat, I'm going to come back around and I'm going to top stitch around the whole entire piece. It's all the way around that big rectangle. And that's going to close that opening that I used for turning the project right side out. Once I get that top stitch down, then I have my spare square. And all you do to open it is pull the straps out of the tabs, and then you can just feed those right back through, and then put your toilet paper in there so that you can have a handy extra roll anytime you need it. Like I said, it's perfect for your camper, your RV. You can put it in your spare bathroom where you don't have a lot of space, or those kids' bathrooms are nice to have those in so that you don't get hollered at from down the hall when somebody needs another roll of toilet paper. So check out on our website, go to our website, find the kits. They are the Spare Square toilet paper holders. It is, like I said, it's a Helpful Heifer pattern, so it's a Helpful Heifer kit. So the kit is going to come with a paper pattern included in it, everything that you need to make 2 of these toilet paper holders. And have fun with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. And thank you so much for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.